Hello guys, what's up? We are Team Orange and we are participant of CHIUXID, and we would like to present our idea which we call Makora. So what is Makora? Makora is an assistant application to help you to achieve your ideal body goal by doing sport and diet routine. So it's basically your healthy lifestyle assistant. So the next question is, why do we need this application? There are 3 facts we based on. The first one is from National Health Research. They say 26.3% people in Indonesia is overweight. The second fact is from Ministry of Health. They say 29% people in Indonesia is suffering from insufficient nutrient intake. And the third one, there are demands for this application. How do we know this? Because we've done user research. So we've done online surveys which we shared to our friends in UGM, and there are 99 respondents. The first question is, would you like to lose or gain your body weight? 91% of them say yes. And then the second question is, if there's an app to help you to lose and gain your body weight, would you like to try it? And 94% say yes. And then in Saturday, March 24th, we have the privilege to do a design sprint process, and in that process we learn a lot of new things. In the process, the first thing to do is mapping, to know who are the stakeholders and what are their activities. And then the second one is do HMWs, or how might we, to know what are the important questions. And then the final one is voting for tracking the heat map of the system. And because of the idea is still in very early development, we learned that this product needs to focus first on 2 things, the users and the feature. And from the result of the heat map, we learned that people want to focus on sport feature first. And because we've done user research based on only UGM students, we decided to focus on UGM student problems only. And after the sprint process is finished, we decided to continue to create a prototype which only focused on sport feature and for UGM students only. So this is how the prototype works. The first thing to do, users need to register their body height and body weight, so the application can count their BMI. And then the application will ask the users how much kilogram do they want to lose. And then the application will show some plans that users can take to lose that weight. The plans include some sport activities like running, sit-up, push-up, and other things. And the next step is, with this prototype, we do a usability testing. The target for this usability testing is UGM students who are currently active doing some sport activities. We ask 5 people who tends to jog in Geraha Sabah Pramana, and here are the results. As you can see, step 2 and step 4 is quite problematic because a lot of people find it quite difficult. And we learn the problem is people doesn't know the difference of, is this a button or a lace? So we decided to redesign a new prototype, and here are the usability testing results. By fixing step 2 and step 4 flows, the users can easily navigate through this app, and the app is improved. So what we do to fix the problem is we add a text and we add a new flow so users can easily navigate through the application. So remember, this is only our first step to achieve our dream application. So there will be upcoming features, which is diet feature. So the application will tell users what you should eat, what you should not eat, and what are the ingredients to take. And if users don't have the ingredients, they can use the application to search for food places or restaurant and see through their menu, and the menu will show up and it will contain how much nutrition and other stuffs that contain in their menu. So users don't have to buy ingredients, they can just look for food places and get the nutrition needed. And so yeah, that is our idea. Hopefully this idea is insightful for the audience, and hopefully this dream application of ours is achievable at the future. And yeah, the learning process never stop. Thanks.